All right. If you haven't heard, Salesforce is completely lost on how to price their AI products, and neither does anyone else. So Salesforce is, this is an interesting one. I think most SaaS CEOs, they're pretending that they have AI pricing figured out. No. And if you look closely, as I said, Salesforce is following suit. Salesforce, they've got like these three pricing models for the same AI product. Agentforce, $2 per conversation, 2 cents per action, $5 plus per user per month. Okay, that's all one product. 3 ways to charge for it. It's screaming that they have no clue what there's like this no innovation, but it is confusion. I don't know if I blame them though. This is what happens when a company built on selling seats launches a product design to erase seats. So if your AI works, it replaces human effort, right? If it replaces human effort, customers need fewer seats. If you charge per seat, your best product shrinks your own revenue. That's the SaaS death spiral that we are all seeing and hearing and pretending is not there. You know it as well as I do. For 20 years, SaaS had charged for access. Log in, get a seat, pay per month, CFO friendly. Okay, now AI delivers this output. And output does not map nice to seats. Bot handling support tickets does not care how many humans have logins. And AI SDR booking meetings does not care how many reps sit in Salesforce. It produces work. So what do you do if you are an incumbent with a massive P&L tied to per seat pricing? You hedge, don't you? You hedge. Seats give CFOs predictable. Usage credits help vendors align price to compute and COGS. Consumption models reduce risk for experimentation. So that's what you do. You throw all three at the wall and you see what sticks. So this isn't some elegant master plan. That's $1 trillion company running live pricing experiments in public because the old model and the new reality, they just don't fit together. They're not alone, you guys. They are not alone. The Pricing SaaS 500 tracked over 1,800 pricing changes last year across the top 500 B2B and AI companies. That's 3.6 changes per company on average in 12 months. People don't have confidence in what they're doing. We're panicking. Panic is disguised as iteration. These per-seat incumbents, of course they want to protect revenue. The usage-based vendors are trying to align with compute because they're being charged for that. And outcome-based challengers are betting they can tie price directly to value, but it's not going to work. It's not going to happen. So what this reality is live fire pricing war over who gets paid when software becomes labor. That's the change that we're all talking about. Software used to be a tool that humans operate. Now AI is starting to operate itself. When it moves from a tool to a worker, pricing has to change. I know this. I'm playing around with it. At Autonom, we stop pretending this is just software and we price it like labor. You hire a junior level cloud employee, it does real work. Yeah, it has capacity, it has scope. If you need more, you promote it. No credits, no seat gymnastics, no trying to reverse engineer value out of some bullcrap API call. It's just digital labor priced like labor. Is that the final model for the entire industry? Maybe not, but it directionally is honest about what this actually is. And I think the companies who are going to be winning more in the future, they're not going to be the cleverest credit bundles. That just can't be. They got to figure out how to get paid when the machine produces output, not when the humans log in. So if you want to see what AI pricing and AI labor actually looks like, check us out, autonom.ai. And then you can ask yourself, are you selling software? Are you selling work? You should be selling more work than software going forward. Just my take.